Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix this error. So here you can see it, the iPhone could not be updated, an unknown error occurred, number of error 1013. So how you can fix it? So now for fixing it, first thing you need to check it's to check your Wi-Fi network. So just check if you are successfully connected to your Wi-Fi. Also you can try to reconnect, so just turn off and turn on again your Wi-Fi, or you can also try another thing. So just tap on Apple logo, just choose restart here, and just submit restarting your computer. So if you still have this error, so you can try to remove your iTunes and just download and install it again on your computer, and after just connect to your iPhone again. So also you can try to update your iTunes. If you have available updates, just try to install them on your computer. And also you can try to update your iPhone. Just check if you have available updates on it. If you have, just download and install them. And the latest thing you can try, just connect with another cable. So just try to use another cable, so sometimes it also helps too. So I hope that one of these methods will work for you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.